Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to start a secret chat with a contact on Telegram using the latest app update. Secret chats are perfect when you want extra privacy, since messages are end-to-end encrypted and can even be set to disappear automatically. Let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account and on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, open the chat with the person you want to start a secret chat with. You can either scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to find your contact quickly. Once you're inside the chat, look at the top of the screen and tap on your friend's name. This will open their profile page where you can see more options related to your conversation. Now, in the top right corner, tap on the three dots. This will open a small menu with additional settings and actions you can take. From this menu, tap on Start Secret Chat. Telegram will ask you to confirm your choice, since secret chats are device-specific and separate from your regular chats. Go ahead and confirm, and that's it. Your secret chat will be created instantly. You'll notice that this new chat looks slightly different. Messages in secret chats are protected with end-to-end encryption, which means only you and the recipient can read them. You can also set a self-destruct timer for messages, adding an extra layer of privacy. Keep in mind that secret chats don't sync across devices, so they'll only be available on the device where you started them. And that's how you start a secret chat on Telegram using the updated interface.